Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing one simple tool, a ruler or tape with inches and centimeters. Once done, set the laptop on a flat surface and open the screen to about 90 degrees so gravity won't distort the angle. Make your first measurement by placing the 0 mark at the lower left visible corner of the active display area and stretching to the upper right visible corner. This measures the diagonal across the glass because screens are specified by diagonal size. Don't include the plastic bezel. If you measured in centimeters, convert by dividing the number by 2, 54 to get inches, or simply read the inches mark on your tape. Once you have a value, round to 1 decimal place because manufacturers often list sizes like 13, 3 inches, or 15, 6 inches. Make sure to measure the active display, not the bezel. That's why you verify. If your number is more than about 1/2 inch from a standard listing, double-check your points and measurement method to avoid a systematic error. Finish by confirming the size against the laptop model printed on the bottom label or in Systems/Spec Info. Manufacturers state the diagonal there. If the bezel makes visual endpoints unclear, take a photo and measure the visible glass on screen using the same diagonal method. This avoids parallax. Troubleshooting tip. If measurements vary, try again with the screen open between 0 and about 120 degrees while ensuring the camera or ruler is perpendicular. That fixes alignment and parallax errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.